For 2023, the dual-motor Polestar 2's optional performance package includes more in the way of actual performance. As before, it adds Brembo brakes, adjustable Öhlins dampers, gold seatbelts, and distinct 20-inch wheels, but now it also nets an additional 67 horsepower and 15 pound-feet of torque over the standard dual-motor 2. That brings its totals to 469 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque, figures shared with the limited-run BST Edition 270, making the performance pack equipped 2 noticeably quicker than its less powerful kin. Booting the right pedal pushes the all-wheel drive model to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and past the quarter-mile mark after 12.2 seconds, 0.2 and 0.5 ticks, respectively, ahead of a 402 horsepower Polestar 2 that we tested 2 years ago. This newfound muscle is not so evident at low speeds, however, with the 2023 car's acceleration below 30 miles per hour matching that of its less powerful 2021 counterpart. Dip into the 2 AC motors reserves while on the move, and the surplus power propels the 2 forward with formidable force shaving 0.3 seconds from both the 5 to 60 and the 50 to 70 mph times and goading the driver to pin the accelerator and delight in the motor's ample thrust. Highs, high-speed acceleration, more power as well as more range. Maintain a light right foot, and the EPA rates the dual-motor Polestar 2 with or without the performance pack at 100 mpg combined, an improvement of 11 mpg over the 2022 car. The 75 kWh battery pack is unchanged, but the 2023 model's added efficiency raises the driving range by 11 miles to 260. Over the course of our test car stay, we averaged just 75 mpg, and in our 75 miles per hour highway range tested managed 210 miles. Our issue with the performance package centers on the adjustable Öhlins dampers. While the ride quality in the default nominal setting struck some as just a little too stiff, things settle down nicely when the dampers are placed in their comfort setting. Others include comfort compliant, rough road, and track. Alas, changing the dampers settings requires exiting the vehicle and manually adjusting each individual unit. We are not against a little manual labor, but our test car came in at just south of $70,000. Such a luxury vehicle should allow owners to accomplish this task with reasonable ease. This is not the case, though. Adjusting the rear dampers, for instance, involves raising the vehicle and removing multiple plastic nuts that hold the inner fender lining in place. Polestar offers one complimentary damper adjustment within the first year of ownership, after which it charges customers for this service. Lowe's, adjusting the dampers is a real PITA, not as efficient as segment leaders. Not all of Polestar's cash grabs are this egregious. For instance, the automaker is offering owners of qualifying older dual-motor 2s the option to add the updated Performance Pack's power-adding software to their cars as part of an $1,195 over-the-air update. That's more than twice the amount the same lines of code tack on to the package's price for 2023, which now stickers for $5,500, or $500 more than last year. Even so, the updates fee surely is less than the cost of upgrading from a 1- or 2-year-old dual-motor Polestar 2 to a 2023 model with the performance package, which retails for $58,800.